I feel like personally this one is gonna be a tough one. But let me not go back and forth. Let us start. I'm gonna give the first place to Martinez. He is the world's best at the moment. Second place, I'm gonna give it to Arsenal's David Raya, one of my favorite goalkeepers. Third place, I'm gonna give it to Liverpool's Alisson Becker. He's a world class, long time successor. Fourth place, I'm gonna give it to our Man City, one and only Edison, with the most assists in the Premier League of any goalkeeper. And in fifth place, I'm gonna give it to Pickford. Last place is Onana, because the bastard is he should